Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about spade beats. And most of the time, they are called flat beat. So now I'm gonna show you how you can use them. Some very nice and easy techniques on how to use them. Alright, let's take a look. So one of the first thing I'm going to do here is to use my drill machine in order to insert the flat beat. And as you can see, it's very easy, but I will advise you to tighten up as much as possible. So when you are all done with this step, I will advise you to put on the full speed and on the second harder level. It's very important to use the full speed so you can go straight into the wood. So when you are all ready, you place your drill machine in a vertical position, you secure your piece of wood, but before that I would advise you to make a point, then after that you can start drilling. As you can see, as soon as the wood is secure, you can start drilling and go into the wood. And you will have to decide how deep you would like to go, of course depending on the project you are working on. But for this project, I won't go too deep because my goal here is just to show you how to use your flat beat. Then when you are done, you will see that you will have a clear and clean cut. Please note that you will have the flat beat in different size. I hope that this will be useful for you. Then I will see you next time.